Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. If Tinder is stuck on loading screen and never open, try these fixes. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're not able to do that, go ahead and make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Next, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Tinder, then swipe it away. After that, you're going to reopen your app. This clears temporary glitches. Now, disable VPN or private DNS in the settings. These can block Tinder servers. Next, head over to your app store, search for Tinder, and then go ahead and search for Tinder, and then make sure to update your app. Update the Tinder app to the latest version. Loading issues are common on outdated apps. If the issue continues, go ahead and long press on the Tinder app icon and delete the app. After deleting it, to reinstall, head over to your app store, search for Tinder, and reinstall it from there. If the issue continues, reinstall Tinder completely, restart your phone before opening it again. Once loaded, allow location and notification permissions for smooth performance, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.